In today's episode, we're going to finish off building the engine. G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild. If you like what you see on my videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on that little post notification button as well so you don't miss out on any of the episodes. In today's episode, we're going to be finishing off the rebuild of the engine. Now, this video was recorded a couple of weeks ago. When I was building the short block, I was actually continuing, I think my mate and I, we worked about 12 hours straight, rebuilding the whole engine in one day. The video got too long to be able to do it in one part, so I decided to cut it up. Unfortunately, because such a long day of videoing, there has been a couple of breaks where the batteries went flat. So this video will be a little bit disjointed, but it would still show you what we did. I think we got most of it there anyway. So come and join us. As you can see there, now we've got the sump and the timing cover on. And we're about to put the head on. So hopefully things won't go flat on us this time. Just gonna spray the head gasket both sides, a couple of coats of the polymer as we used before. Let that dry. Hopefully it won't take too long in the cold.
No, it's like pretty quick. It smells alright.
Okay, we can put the head studs in anyway. While we're waiting. Okay, so we ended up taking the head bolts or studs out. Okay, and this time we actually coated them with copper grease, just to stop them from seizing in the block. So I had a bit of trouble getting them out in the first place. So we've now given them a really good clean, down with brake clean. And on with the head gasket. Now, you'll notice there's actually a hole at the very end. You've got to make sure that that gasket doesn't block off those holes. So you can put these gaskets on, well, not so much the copper ones, but the other gaskets can go up the wrong way and cause an overheating issue then. There we go. Now, the head. Might just
Give that a wipe.
give it a wipe down. Okay, starting to look like an engine again.
Where's your oil?
We want to oil up threads.
I want to put a little double oil. So,
Oh, for friction for the torquing.
yes.
Okay, there's a tip. All your threads and your washers, so you don't get a false reading on when you're torquing down. Let's go to this side, yeah. One's a bit, the washer's a bit. Unless if it's the wrong size.
He doesn't want to go on. He's not a
Ringing. I'm actually missing a washer too.
Not fits on this one.
Oh well. Is that problem solved? And I need one more washer. I don't. Oh.
Can you find a washer?
Not yet. Oh, I just got heaps of flats. Okay, so the head has to be torqued down to 50 foot-pound. We're going to do it in 3 stages, 20, 40 and 50. And in the sequence that's actually showed in the workshop manual.
That is weird. Now I'll make those on the video. I've never ever I've done crisscross and all that, but never out ones and then inside ones, because you always
Spread the load.
spread the load out.
Yeah. Okay, now 40 pound.
I can't remember who on it.
Yeah. Okay. It might have been at 50 then. It was.
Yeah, just go through them again.
Okay, as you can see there, we've actually put the rocket gear on, and obviously also the cam followers and the push rods. Now, there's not much more to the video to actually watch here, and unfortunately I did forget to actually do an outro, so the video is about to finish very shortly, so unfortunately I don't have anything else to show you on the engine. From here we actually adjust the tappets, put the covers on, and give it a good paint. So next time you'll see it, it'll be ready to go back into the chassis. So until then, I'm signing off for now, and we'll see you later. Thank you.